A former governor of this state, and you can see what happened in front of his house, where hoodlums came shooting. You can look at his gate and everything.
Let's see the bullet holes.
You can see the blood marks at his gate. You see it. You see the several cars damaged and everything. That is where our democracy has reached.
The hoodlums came for you to know what 2027 will look like. Immediately after we left the ADC headquarters in Benin, we came into the house of Chief Oregun, the former governor, and these hoodlums came, started shooting. These are bullets, started shooting. These are bullets, started shooting, destroying vehicles. You see, they know Tinubu is going to lose in 2027, and they don't want peace.
Take care when they come out and take care of face. Not before you start. Wait. Yes. Everybody back at me. The other guy carry key. I know that he wants to turn. He can for the mother to come for us.
Post by the back. I had to pay the hospital, the clinic bills, and I take care of the guy. The structure there is another level.
They wounded
At the secretariat there, yeah, they shot somebody. They blast the guy head here, blast him at the back. They beat him merciless. Yes, they shot one man in the neck, down hospital. This thing is getting, we cannot sincerely continue like this.
Who are the people doing this?
It's also the ABC talks. We know they have a history of violence.
Make a formal complaint, and I'll show you this cannot be true at all. We have a country, and we are a part of the country. You know, we cannot have terrorism terrorizing the country and have officials of the government terrorizing citizens. It's not acceptable.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Big man. This is bullets. This is bullets. Oh, yeah. Yeah. They ran away when the DSS started retaliating. They now heard the sound of a different gun and they ran away. The information reaching us heard it that immediately we left the secretariat, ADC secretariat, they came in shooting. They shot people, wounded some people. Those they wounded are now at the hospital. This is bullet, life. This is bullet. They want, no, they came here to light people.
Yes, sir.
Had we didn't lock this gate, they will light everybody. All the plan is to light people. That was their plan. Yeah, it's to light people now. They want to light people. Now you get the car. You see? You are the state youth leader.
Maybe that's the reason why they did this.
Yeah.
My car, they know me already. So maybe that's the reason why they
Don't make noise there.
We did they no come. Where we go?
Officer, are you just coming?
Okay, we meet here now. Before they come. If they get my friend, they come.
Some hoodlums, stop, scared.
If they get my, I know they call us. Who go drop? Who go
I know. That is what I believe.
Yeah, I'm motivated. What do they fear? They say they get 31
Esther is in front. Esther is in front. Esther. This state youth leaders car. This is what they did to you.
No problem.
It's bullets.
Yo, go ahead and this one, oh.